Fortified Drinking Water, you get clean, crisp hydration that supports your overall health and well-being. Vital Fortified Drinking Water provides essential hydration, helping you stay refreshed and organized throughout the day. Choose Vital Fortified Drinking Water for a reliable source of hydration that helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and keep your skin healthy.